Bollywood stars whom we lost in 2020. Sushant Singh Rajput. Bollywood has lost one of the finest actors of the industry, Sushant Singh Rajput, in this year. The actor was found deceased on 14th June, which has been declared as a suicide, but many people believe that it's a case of homicide. Irfan Khan. Extremely talented Bollywood actor Irfan Khan breathed his last breath on 29th of April at the Kokilaben Hospital. The actor was suffering from cancer for a long time. He lost his life due to colon infection. Rishi Kapoor. Legendary Bollywood actor Rishi Kapoor left for his heavenly abode on 30th of April at the age of 67 after long years of suffering. The actor fought a long battle with leukemia and was under treatment in US. He returned in the country in September 2019. Saroj Khan. Ace Bollywood choreographer Saroj Khan left us too in this year due to cardiac arrest on 3rd of July. The National Award-winning choreographer was 71 years old when she passed away and left a void in the industry. Wajid Khan. Wajid Khan from the musical duo Sajid Wajid was only 42 years old when he left for his heavenly abode. It was cardiac arrest which took the singer's life at such a young age. The musical duo has worked in several movies of Salman Khan. S.P. Balasubramaniam. Legendary singer of Bollywood industry S.P. Balasubramaniam breathed his last breath on 25th of September in Chennai. The 74-year-old National Award winner singer Balasubramaniam sir was not well since August and his health was deteriorating. Jagdeep. Actor and comedian Syed Ishtiaq Ahmed Jafri, also known as Jagdeep, also left a void in the industry with his demise. The actor was 81 years old when he breathed his last breath on 8th of July. Soumitra Chatterjee. Legendary actor from the Bengali movie industry, Soumitra Chatterjee left for his heavenly abode on 15th of November after serving many years to cinema. The actor was 85 years old and was admitted to the Bellevue Hospital for the last 40 days where he fought with COVID-19. Basu Chatterjee. This actor was a very familiar face in the Bollywood movies and had acted in movies like Baaton Baaton Mein and many more. This actor was 93 years old when he breathed his last breath due to age-related problems. Arya Banerjee. The actress from Dirty Picture Arya Banerjee, who played the role of Shakila, passed away in this year too. The actress was found dead at her own apartment in the Baliganj area of South Kolkata. Divya Bhatnagar. Popular TV actress Divya Bhatnagar, who has done several popular daily soap after having some COVID-19 complications. The actress was in support of ventilators in a reputed Mumbai hospital when she was ill. Asif Basra. Popular Bollywood actor Asif Basra was suspiciously found dead in a private complex in the northern hill city of Dharamshala on 12th November. Mohit Baghel. This young actor was popularly known for his portrayal in Salman Khan's movie Ready 2, passed away this year on 23rd of May. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.